Gusto mo ba lumakas ang internet connection mo? Pues, itong video ay para sa'yo.
What's up guys, this is HEGIE and welcome to my YouTube channel. At kung di ka pa subscribe sa channel ko, please consider subscribing para updated ka sa next na i-upload ko dito sa channel na to. So let's go sa step. And by the way, I'm using an Android phone here, which is Huawei Nova 7i. So first step is
go to settings.
Puntahan natin yung settings ng phone natin. So actually any Android phone will do. So punta kayo sa settings ng phone niyo. Tapos
go to mobile network.
Punta kayo sa mobile network. And then sa akin,
press mobile data.
Puntahan ko yung mobile data. That's the second step. And then hanapin
select
niyo
access
yung
point names
access point name. So whichever SIM you're using your mobile data, pwede kayong dun mag-change. So let's try sa SIM 1. Tatlong pagpipilian yung andito sa APNs ng SIM na to. So merong Smart LTE, Smart Bro, and then may EAS Tone na rin dito. I just changed it guys to this name, EAS Tone. So if you wanted to change this time, so go to the I. So here, so it's the information so that you can edit access point names and then change the name to this name, EAS Tone. APN is FetNet01. Your username should be guessed, small letters, and the same for your password, it should be guessed as well. And then yun lang po yung i-change nyo. Again, name, APN, username, password. So i-save nyo lang by pressing the check button on the upper right hand. And then select nyo yung EAS Tone. Tas boom, you're ready to go. So so, kanina sa Smart LTE na gamit natin, so pumapalo po siya ng 28.76. Pero ngayon, nung nag-change na tayo sa EAS Tone, which is yung new APN natin ngayon na ginagamit, so pumapalo na siya sa 40.12 Mbps, yung download speed niya po. So, thank you for watching guys, and don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. So, here's my YouTube account. And please subscribe to this channel guys and help me get 1,000 subscribers. Thank you and God bless.